Hey everyone, how's it going? I'm on a new channel called Stealth Camping with AJ in the Pacific Northwest, the Evergreen State in Washington. So, a few months back, I asked my community in my main channel if they would like to see me do some stealth camping. And we got that good to go. So if you want to see that, check it out. I'll show you guys my old spot. So I was talking to my neighbor over here and go, this whole trees thing be kind of cool and all that, and then all of a sudden I walk in here and sorry spider, everything I trimmed this place a few months back, and I put a stealthy, put my seat in here, put a little seat for my backpack, for my stuff that I want to, do. Hope you guys like my page. Don't forget to like, comment down below, whatnot. I'm stealth camping in my own city, being stealthy in my neighborhood. So, it's interesting. This is my chill out area I want to do. I have one other place I'm going to do, but I want to show you guys what this looks like during the night. So I'll see you guys at nighttime. Stealth camping in my neighborhood. And we're here at nighttime right now. I just got in. I snuck myself stealthy in myself. I had to record a few times just to get this right, because one, a lot of airplanes went by and it was being too noisy. So this took like number 10. But I got my backpack. We're going to set up and see what we got. So, we have my stool here, my little chair back there. I put my backpack back there and my tablet here when I'm editing stuff. And I got a little light right here. So, see you guys in a bit. So this is the tablet that I use. I have my little light there and my backpack's back there. I did bring an extra layer of another thing of a vest underneath my other one I have. Did bring my knife just in case. Did bring a blanket in case I get more cold. You never know. So, yeah. I use a, this is what I use for editing. Sorry about the screen. Power editor video, but I also use my phone as well as editing. Usually it doesn't take this long. Hi guys, this is me behind the camera. Sorry. There we go. So power editing, when it works, doesn't need the internet. So got these little boxes you can do a lot of stuff with. So if you guys like to see what I do, how I edit some of my videos from my other channels, this is not my first channel. My main channel is a little different. If it wasn't for my community, I wouldn't have came up with stealth camping with AJ. So you just go to here, new project, hit whatever. This one here is for shorts. That one's for regulars. So we're just doing a regular. And then I go to download. I go to my. Sometimes I'll use this for my beginning. It tells you all this all the time. So, and then the beginning's a little too long. This is a wait, so I do this. So, sorry about that, I hit the wrong button. You just go like this, move it around a little, get rid of that whiteness, and boom, you got yourself a little intro right there. So hopefully you guys enjoy me being out my little practice spot, stealth camping in my neighborhood. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos like this in the near future. To give you guys an idea of what my place looks like during the night, you can see the light a little bit. I need to down it a little bit more. I'll show you guys what it looks like inside. There's my chair, I sit down. There's my tablet on my stool. And that's a little too bright. So with the finger in my face. So if you down it just enough like that, gets it a little bit better. Let's see. Yeah, sorta. Someone would think it's just another one of these lights over here, which I might do. So, yeah, stealth camping in my neighborhood. And that's an airplane behind me. Again, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos like this one in the near future. AJ, this is Stealth Camping with AJ in my neighborhood.